Virtue Healing Oil blends a proprietary protein, alpha-keratin 60Ku with a trio of nourishing oils to repair, revitalize, and strengthen hair. Alpha-keratin 60Ku is a bioidentical keratin protein that mimics the natural keratin in hair and works to repave and refill damaged strands for stronger, shinier hair. The oil includes complementary ingredients like Kalahari melon seed oil, Tahitian gardenia flower extract, vitamin E, tocopherol, and other plant-based actives. These work together to moisturize, protect against environmental stressors and UV damage, and restore color vibrancy. The healing oil has been incorporated into major red carpet hairstyles. Nicole Kidman's Glossy Golden Globes, 2025, Ponytail and Met Gala, 2024, look both used this oil for radiant shine and damage repair. Similarly, hairstylist Adira Burgel used it to achieve Nicola Peltz's bridal hair, and Jennifer Garner has publicly praised it for restoring her hair's thickness and vibrancy. Use a few drops, warmed between your palms, on either damp or dry hair. Focus on mid-lengths to ends, then style as usual. Virtue Healing Oil is a high-performance hair serum designed to repair, protect, and revitalize while keeping things lightweight and glossy. Its signature alpha-keratin 60Ku, paired with botanical oils and antioxidants, makes it effective for all hair types, especially dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. Loved by celebrities and everyday users alike, it delivers instant shine and long-term strength. It serves as a multi-purpose styling aid, a moisturizing serum, frizz tamer, heat protector, and